All right, everybody, so it is March 3rd, and this is what we look like. So by the material is staged right here, and that's our access point by the work. You can see we're starting to take our materials all the way up, and we'll be tying off into the actual purlins. Once all of this happens, right, then we will be relocating this, and I'll need RMR I need space in here, folks, because I'm going to have a piece of equipment that is 25 feet long coming down here and working right up in there. And these walk boards will be out of the way by the end of the day. So best case scenario, we start carpentry Thursday, but I'll need this stuff cleaned out. I'm going to have a piece of equipment right there pulled inside before this gets choked off, and we're going to start working at it. But this, I mean, I need to have some type of blocking here. I don't get it. It's only going to take one hit.